So hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox and install this Crompton. Guess the model. I hope you know the model name, obviously. So this is high speed Decora Scion, right? But what is the sweep? Guess the sweep. The sweep is 1400 millimeter, as you can see, and also guess the color name. So now let me show you the color name. So the color name is, so this is the color, as you can see, Baker's brown, exactly. So now let me show you the fan box. Now let me keep it aside. So this is the fan box, as you can see. So now let me show you the front view of the fan box. So this is the fan box, as you can see. This is the color, this is the Baker's brown, as you can see. So this is 1400 millimeter Baker's brown, new HS Decora Scion ceiling fan, but sadly this model is now discontinued. And see this. So the price of this fan is 2400, but I got this for rupees 2250 rupees from online Flipkart online. And this is manufactured in March 2018, and this is manufactured at Bethora, Goa. So very good. So now let me do a quick unboxing of this fan. So guys, this is the fan. The fan is looking very beautiful. So guys, this is the fan. The fan color is awesome, just awesome. It is looking 100% better than that of the opal white version, which I unboxed recently. Go check it out, link is given in the description or given in the I button above. So as you can see, the motor is looking really awesome. The Baker's brown color is really awesome. Obviously there are some fingerprints, but I can erase these fingerprints easily. And this is the deco, as you can see. This is a silver part, and these are Baker's brown, as you can see. And obviously this is a plastic. This is a plastic, but the plastic quality is really good. And this is the color coding, as you can see. The blue is the auxiliary, the yellow is the common, and the red is the main, as you can see. And this is the label, HS Decora Scion. Green label, obviously, because this is a 56-inch fan, as you know. And the fan is looking really awesome, really shiny, as you can see. And here is written 14 means you can say 1400 millimeter or 14 pole. And obviously this fan is a 14 pole motor. All the high speed 56-inch fans are having 14 pole motor, but the Jura 56 or the Aura 56 or the Avancer 56 and obviously the Riviera 56 don't have any kind of 14 pole motor. They have 12 pole thick motor, and that is a really bad technology. But this is a 100% successful technology, 14 pole with 1400 millimeter blades. So now let's install the fan. So this is the fan, as you can see. This is the fan, as you can see. The Baker's brown color is looking really nice, really nice. The Baker's brown is one of the best colors of Crompton, as you know. So now let me install the rest of the fan, means the blades. So finally it's time to unbox the blades. So as you can see, this is the blade box. So now let me open it. So this is the blade, as you can see. The deco is quite beautiful. This is a Baker's brown part and this is a silver part, and you can see the design of the deco. Obviously this is made of plastic, but the plastic quality is really good, and you can see the color finishing. Oh wow, this is looking so nice. As you can see, so shiny, so clean. So the shank angle is quite good, as you can see. Now let me install the blades. So finally the fan is installed. So now let me hang it over the ceiling, and now let me show you the performance. So the Crompton HS Decora Scion 56-inch Baker's brown is now installed. As you can see, the fan is looking really nice. So now let me turn it on to show you the performance. So as you can see, this is the fan. The fan is performing really nice, and it is also looking really nice, and it is giving a really thick alike airflow. So just as you heard, the airflow is really thick, and obviously this fan is little bit slower than that of the 48-inch version, because this is a 14 pole motor and obviously this is a 56-inch fan, and obviously this fan is 100% better than that of the 12 pole 56-inch fans, means the Crompton Jura, Crompton Avancer 56, or Crompton Aura 56, or obviously the Crompton Riviera 56. All these kind of fans have 12 pole thick motors in 56-inch variant, but only this Crompton high speed fan have 14 pole motor, very good quality. And this is a really proud thing that Crompton provides 14 pole motor in Crompton high speed instead of providing in any other models. So this is a really good point. And the 12 pole thick motor 56 fans have some thermal throttling problems, means when those fan heats up the speed slows down, but this Crompton high speed 56-inch never had any kind of problems. So this is the main fact only. And obviously this Crompton high speed Decora Scion is now discontinued, but the normal Crompton high speed 56-inch is available in the market. Just buy it and feel it. And obviously I hope this high speed Decora Scion metallic gives more airflow than that of the normal high speed 56-inch, because this is a metallic fan, and as you know, all metallic fans of Crompton have little bit more amount of blade angle compared to the normal Crompton fans. So this is the main fact only. I hope you understood. So now let me turn it off. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed it, then like and share it, comment any queries or doubts, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, take care, see you in my next video.